Hello friends, today I'll be speaking about an interesting case of ocular myasthenia gravis. So she is a 15-year-old female who had presented to me with the complaints of drooping of left upper eyelid and diplopia since 1 month. On examination, she had vertical squint with significant limitation of elevation in the left eye, as we can see in this picture, with adduction deficit as well as minimal depression deficit. The pupils and fundus were within normal limits. I made the diagnosis of resolving third nerve palsy of the left eye, got an MRI done, and blood investigations done, which were normal. I advised the patient to follow up after 1 month. And at 1 month, as we can see in this 9 gaze photograph, there is bilateral ptosis, and now she had developed adduction deficit in the right eye also. There is limitation of elevation also in the right eye. So my diagnosis was turned from underlying paralytic squint to an underlying myopathic disorder. We did the eye spec test, which was positive after 2 minutes, suggestive of myasthenia gravis. Since she had no systemic symptoms, this was an ocular myasthenia gravis. This is a very short video which is presenting Cogan's lid twitch. As we can see in this video, the patient when fixing in the primary gaze from down gaze, there is lid twitch in both the eyes upper lid. This is a short video which is presenting fatigability. The patient is not able to sustain upgaze in both the eyes, and she had drooping of both the eyelids while examination. We did the nystagmus test in this patient, and this is a 9 gaze photograph which is showing a gross improvement in the adduction in the right eye as well as the adduction in the left eye. The elevation in both the eyes is now normal, so overall there was a gross improvement in the extraocular motility. So here we confirmed our diagnosis of ocular myasthenia gravis. The patient is under observation. So the take-home message from this case is myopathy is a great mimicker of a paralytic squint. You need to follow up the patient to confirm your diagnosis. Thank you so much.